Hi sir, good morning. I am Mary Christine H. Paderes, BSN 1, Batch 1. The Three Mathematicians. Jacob Bernoulli, famous as mathematicians. Nationality Swiss. Born on December 27, 1654 AD. Born in Basel, Switzerland. Died on August 16, 1705 AD. Jacob Bernoulli's foremost significant to mathematics were noted in the pamphlets which accounted information on the parallels of logic and algebra, and his work on probability. These were published in the year 1685. 2 years later, Bernoulli's work on geometry was published, which gave a construction to divide any triangle into 4 equal parts with 2 perpendicular lines. In 1689, Jacob Bernoulli published an important work on infinite series and his law of large numbers in probability theory. According to his interpretation, if an experiment is repeated a number of times, then the relative frequency with which an event occurs equals the probability of the event. The law of large numbers is a mathematical interpretation of this result. From 1682 to 1705, Jacob Bernoulli published 5 treatises on infinite series. He also researched on the exponential series, which came out of examining compound interest. The second is John Napier, famous as mathematician. Nationality Scottish. Born on March 29, 1904 AD. Born in Merkiston Tower, Edinburgh. Died on April 4, 1617. Napier's interest in astronomy led way to his interest in mathematics. His long hours of leisure were spent exploring and devising new methods of computation that could help astronomers during their research. Logarithm, as we know it, was a use of Napier, who from his research brought a newer and simpler way for performing large number calculations. He found out that through the use of exponentials, the operation which involved multiplication and division of very large numbers reduced to being just an addition of the exponents. He gradually went to elaborate his computational system, wherein roots, products, and quotients could be easily found out from tables showing powers of a fixed numbers at the base. Napier's finding was first made public in the years 1614 through his book Modifici Logarithmorum Canonis description The books The books Thong only had brief details of the steps that lead to the discovery. Importantly, contain his first set of logarithmic table. The third is Pythagoras, famous as philosopher and mathematician, nationality Greek, born on 570 BC, born in Samos, died on 495 BC. Pythagoras studies properties of numbers and classified them as even numbers, odd numbers, triangular numbers, and perfect numbers. The Pythagoras theorem is one of the earliest theorem in geometry, which states that in right angle, thus the right angle and the triangles, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of the other two sides. His theorem was already proposed during the reign of the Babylonian king Hammurabi, but Pythagoras applied it to mathematics and science and refined the concept. Pythagoras also asserted that dynamics of the structure of the universe lies on the interaction of the contraries or the opposites, such as light and darkness, limited and unlimited, square and oblong, straight and curved, right and left, singularity and plurality, and motionless and movement. That's all. Thank you. Bye, sir.